Welcome to another new episode of Tales Beyond Border. I'm back at my cave again. I was in Bangladesh for last 20 days and I felt like I should come back to this place again when I come back to Portugal. So I'm here again and now it's time for another new adventure. It is January in Europe and look at this beautiful weather. Just look at this, the sun just next to us on the right. Look at the sky, the blue clear sky. And this is the cave that you probably saw last time. Let me show you again. If you haven't seen it before, see. This is the place where I made fire and grilled my chicken last time. Some spider webs. I hope you can see. The cave is still just like that it was before. Look. As green as before. Just look at the exit. And look. The main just right out there. The plan for today is very simple. As usual, we're gonna collect some woods. Some dry woods. It's gonna be very hard to find the woods now dry because it's winter, it's January, you know. It's like raining and sometimes it's dry, it's sunny like this, but it doesn't matter whatever it is, you know. The weather is still damp, the soil is damp, you see. But still we are trying to find some woods so that we can make a campfire at the same place we made last time. And as a backup plan, I have my stove, my camping gears and stuff, so we can do it. Guys, just look, I'm at the edge of the cliff just to collect that part of the dry wood. Damn, just look at this place. And my mates are just right up there somewhere. I can't see them. Should be. And my cave is just right next to the rocks. First, we're gonna make like this. About quick tissues. Charcoal from previous time. Guys, I need lighter. Look, the fire just started. I'm just gonna break down them, put it like this. It will just go a long way. And this is the wood from last time. It's what we have started. Things will be a lot easier for me. पानी दो तो catch 100%. My fucking days. Look at this magnificent view. Just look at this view. Oh my god. If I fall from here, I'm dead. At least I'm gonna break my ankle, to be honest. And we're heading just right there. Filming and walking like this down is never easy. Guys, my cave is just just right up there, and I'm gonna go straight down there to collect some sea urchins. I don't know if they're still there. You know what, it's not gonna be easy going down there, but I'm still gonna give it a shot. I know the sea urchins are just straight in the corner. The water level is down. I think I can make it. It's not easy to get down over there, you know. It's a bit tricky. So these are very low water tide pools. Just look at this. I'm finally here. I love oysters, but I didn't find any yet so far. I'm gonna still take a risk and see if I can manage to go down there. I can still see some sea urchins right over there in the corner. And it's very sharp. Managed to get one. That's it. So here are my sea urchins. They're still alive. Look at them. I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see how it works. I've never ever tried sea urchins in my life before, so this could be it. Let's see if they got any eggs in there. These are the eggs. Man, this tastes good, but they're very small. Nice. This is what I was waiting to see this whole time. These are my steak meat. They're not the proper steaks, but I've got some good fillets of beef. I'm gonna marinate them with salt and pepper and then go for the next. A fair amount of salt. Pepper. Okay, so this is the butter. I'm gonna take a chunk of butter, just like this. And go straight in there. That's enough on it. I'm gonna get the first steak. Place it straight in there like this, flat. Medium rare khaba na well done khaba? Gorib. Alright guys, today we're not gonna wait for long. Rakib, come, let's enjoy. That is well done, and it will taste so bloody good. There's a bit of spicy seasoning on top. Put that with a bit of butter. Some water. Down. It's hard.
Not yet. It's too hard, but the one now.
Guys, it was a good long day. Our food is done. And it's now time to enjoy the weather and the food. Cheers, boys.